Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The US 5-year note auction will be released at 17 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Price Index at 9:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT. The French Gross Domestic Product at 6:45 GMT. Australia's construction work done at 1:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices settled lower as investors worried about a supply glut after Iranian and US delegations made progress in their talks, and on expectations that OPEC Plus will decide to increase output at a meeting this week. The dollar strengthened as the yen came under pressure from a sharp fall in Japan's long-dated bond yields, while the greenback was boosted by data improving US consumer confidence. Trump Media and Technology Group, the company that owns US President Donald Trump's Truth Social platform and is partially owned by the president, confirmed a $2.5 billion capital raise to purchase Bitcoin after denying earlier reports of the deal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
After a 1.6% dip during the last session, the dollar-yen pair closed with a 1.2% gain. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session, after a 2% intra-session dip. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session, after a 1.2% intra-session dip. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.